usual disclaimers. Thank you for joining the stream. Os ydych chi'n gwylio'r stream, os ydych chi'n gwylio'r stream, diolch am ymuno'r for watching. I hope you're all keeping safe. Ydych chi'n cadw'n saff. I hope you had a wonderful Easter, Ramadan, Passover, whatever you celebrate it. Lle bynnag ydych chi'n dathlu. I hope you all had like a lovely Easter, Pasg, Ramadan, neu Passover, dwi'n gwybod Cymraeg. Neu beth bynnag ydych chi'n dathlu, ydych cadw'n saff. So, efo'r Fibonacci challenge, mwy gwybodaeth in the description, more information description. My builds will be in different videos, with builds ar fideos gwahanol. Cool, got it. Fydd build fi gwahanol dwi wedi ganolfan hamdden Pwllheli. Mae'n lot gym a base game. So mae hwnna fyny yn gallery o dan Lynette Creative. So the latest build I've done, dwi wedi goffan, I finished, is a leisure centre inspired by the Pwllheli leisure centre. Base game gym, so if you've got packs and stuff you can do it. So yn y ganolfan hamdden Pwllheli mae 'na squash court, mae 'na lle caffi, 2 lle gym, lle nofio. Just a brief description of the latest build of the leisure centre. There's 2 fitness rooms, a cafe, function room, squash court, viewing centre, swimming pool, 2 changing areas, 2 toilets and 2 shower rooms. 2 toilet rooms, so lot, and an admin room hefyd. So yeah, bits of everything. But like I said, everything doing adeiladu in base game. Everything I bob doing adeiladu in base game. I am just going to get the needs up ar gyfer eiliad. Chdi mynd toilet. So, main aim, so usual thing, welcome to the stream, because it's stream doing it. I can't upload to YouTube longer videos hirach, so Fibonacci's been streamed live because I'm on hyn dwi'n gallu neud. So this has been streamed live because this is the only way I can really put up videos ar hyn o bryd. Dwi'n cael technology until I get better technology. But today, social. So today we're gonna have Mai's gonna have their first date with Kurt Goff. I think they're gonna be the next generation. I'm gonna try and play with chwarae. And Cariad is gonna be elderly. And my Cariad am oedio fyny is gonna age up. So I kind of feel really sad because one generation is over, but already on a short stay. It's nearly over already. Then we've got my Sim oedio fyny. They're gonna be elderly. And then they're going to be young adults, and we're going to start actually getting into the second generation at Trydydd Genhedlaeth with the 3 children main of 3 children. So yeah, dyna dwi'n meddwl 'di credu'r plan, and we're just going to get cyn nhw, before we go. Plan is, because Mai is going to go, because they have this scheduled date. Let's just gei coocio. So I was thinking to do that. Ia'n am bwyd hefyd. Ridge needs food. Why? Dwi'n gwybod pan mae Sims neud o. Mae'r gwaith cartre 'di gael neud. Homework has been done. I think the extra credit's been done for you. I am going to try and get them to max. Trio neud fatha max o bob dim maen nhw'n gallu, neu get them as set up as I can, os ydych chi'n ddall. So lle mae Sims fi? Where's my Sim? Oh, ti'n gwaith. Okay, cool. So we are gonna get you team yn gwneud bwyd ar gyfer pawb. We might even invite her over. So os pawb yn mynd i'r parc, if everybody goes to the park, I can have, dwi'n gallu cael, I think, might cael deity, I can have the date, and then I can, I think mae pawb wedi wneud, they've done their skills, maen nhw'n wneud y sgiliau maen nhw'n barod. And then I've leveled up some of their, they've done both Mai and Envis have done their extra credits. Mae Mai a Envis wedi wneud their extra credits hefyd. My next goal with Cariad is to try and get the I had a fire as well, so it's i cael pethau I oedio mewn. So one of my Sims, we had a Sim come over and then set this place on fire ar tân. Dwi'n meddwl oedd yr yn hi agos i lle tân. So nath hynna digwydd, a hynna'n fun. That was fun. So what we have to do, because we only have one toilet, we have to work around. Dwi'n gael gweithio o amgylch pan mae pawb yn neud pethau. Mae'n skill, it's a skill to try and balance. Gonna get you, kind of, I'm gonna get you to help in cooking. Because wedyn mae social mynd fyny, because ti eisiau cysgu? Ti'n iawn o gael egni? You're okay for energy, dwi'n gwybod pam. Wedyn, so yeah, so while they're like cooking, I try and get a bit of other things done. So gyd I cymryd shower wedyn. We'll get everybody's needs in barod. Needs pawb yn barod. Because mae 'na pethau fel, we've got, I think mine's like level 3, my level 3 in cooking hefyd. So we've got stuff sorted, so your socials getting there. Again, sometimes the game goes slow. Again, jump back. So, team. At all team back, you get used to juggling so many Sims. You get used to juggling so many Sims. Ond dwi'n hapus nes I wneud hyn wan. I'm happy I did this now. Rather than do 3 straight away and wneud fatha cyn gymaint. Cyn gymaint o'n I fatha straight away. Maybe Aiden, but I don't know os ti. So I think Kurt got this as one for Mai because they've managed bod, like I've been doing the text a pethau and it seems to be working, and that's when the prompt bod the Sim isio date ma nhw wedi dod, neu schedule date wedi dod fyny. So ella so maybe that's the thing. This is my first time doing like a live playthrough like this. So dwi'n credu I'm doing it right. Dwi'n neud o'n iawn. One the day. Dwi dal dysgu. I said I am still learning. So we have social running. We just need food and fun now. You've had to cael shower. Ti'n unemployed, but we're gonna have food in like 2 seconds. Don't ask about woohoo, that's your sister. I do some of the stuff in this is like I don't know how the coding is, but mae weithiau pethau fel yeah, dim quite. Yeah, dim quite. Some stuff weithiau. So yeah, dwi'n gael bwyd I pawb. I'm gonna have food for everybody.
Ye flamanor? Ye cannon a mill. Blah blah blah.
Bazoo,
Blah
Kurt.
blah 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 blah. Uh-huh.
Very briefly, this is reviewing an exhibition for a major art magazine. The gallery creator offers the show one of in exchange. No bribes. The bribes. Who do you think I am? So, my Sims also, so in between sort of that later dance videos, my Sim has got two colour theory critics. I don't know how many more painting stuff promotions yna, but the maen nhw hwnna, they're that now, they've had promotion. Cariad is on symphonic string player. Dwi yn cael piano level 8, so I trio allai cael piano yn y parc. We'll see, cos pa bryd wyt ti'n gweithio nesa? 2 dydd mae'n gallu neud pethau adre. A level 8, so they need level 8 in piano, and mae'n level 8, and level 8 you can do writing as well. So that's another one that I'm trying to do in this legacy, in the Sims legacy, to try and write as many songs. And then I've got, dwi wedi cael lluniau pawb, so mae hyn pan maen nhw'n babi. Mae mod I cael nhw mewn fframio, I don't know what the mod is, if it's on PS4 at all. So, no, they're baby, wedyn, teen. I didn't get any of them as kids, unfortunately, and anffodus. Teen, so Envis. You got you got Cariad there. These are the best I can do. Sorry. Dwi'n trio. Then gonna need paintings o yma. Oh no. It's gonna need o Sims fi. I don't have a painting on my Sim yet. But ni'n gweithio arno fo. I might try and get a painting of like my two Sims together, maybe old, neu llun yn o'n hen. There is a painting from like reference. Mae'n a painting o reference ond dwi'm yn gwybod am o llun. There's a painting from reference, but I don't think you paint from picture. So I've had to have the Sims stand here, sefyll fama tan, while I get it. It's bod yn interesting. Debate captain. Ydy hwnna? Mae yna pethau diddorol weithiau. Debate captain. The geek. Wonder bit. I don't bit mae hwnna. There's some stuff that I don't know what they're under. I do like this bob dim di cael torri fyny. I like how they're all like broken up. I do like that.
Sibuna Torble Forbe. Flashin.
So, what are your needs before we go park? You're pretty good. Ti'n pretty dda. Ti angen toilet? Do you need shower or toilet? Because you're going to go on a date. Ti'n shower a toilet ti angen. A ti'n iawn. So we're going to get Mai ready. Because Mai's going to go on a date. Nawn ni newid outfit nhw. A wedyn nhw'n mynd I park.
Shipney, proof in the fish. The sour barley. Yeah, ladada. Val, come on. Kuma. Mara,
Be ti'n neud? So gei di, paid yn neud yna. Because we don't need to light the fire down. I'm right tan. Os na gei di mynd a practisio piano ar gyfer rwan. Just a little bit, because we just need to wait while we tea and then toilet a shower I chdi, and then we're ready to go to the park. Wedyn cael first aid. A wedyn gobeithio this stream I can get the didn't I llai fyny? I can get the beth yw hwnna? Any skill level 6. Okay, well it's gonna name licensed songs. So os da ni'n neud hyn, be wyt ti angen? What do I need? Your skills, the 5 mewn guitar, 5 in guitar, 2 in piano, 1 in violin. Okay, let's do guitar. I'm going to get you to mentor them for a little bit. No, we'll do that. No, down. Amser arall. What ti isio? What? Icky plumbing. Okay. I don't get the icky plumbing thing. Dwi dal dysgu. I'm still learning, so I don't know about the icky plumbing thing. But I don't get it. Dwi'n gael o. We'll mentor you dydd arall. We'll get you cael chdi level 8. Fe can cael o I level 10 mewn piano hefyd. Yn perffaith. So we can start to do mentoring. Cool. Ni'n mynd i'r parc. We're gonna go travel. So gei di mynd... ni'n mynd trafeilio. Dope, Kurt. Just a so wedyn mae Cariadon gallu they can just socialise and become better friends. Dwi'n meddwl yn dod o Aiden round y gyfer enwys. Yeah. Trying to get teens round. I'm trying anyway, trio yw'r gair mawr. Fanna. I'm gonna go park, because I think that'd be cute. And just everybody, pawb gallu chilio allan. We're gonna go, just let the other Sims do beth bynnag maen nhw isio. We'll do whatever the other Sims wanna do. We're gonna get Mai set up with Kurt and credit, and then that will be at least in option ar gyfer legacy to carry on. And this, I don't know, we shall figure that out. I'm gwybod. The only problem with the Fibonacci legacy is the problem efo'r legacy yma Fibonacci. 1 point. Dwi'n angen 3 plant nesaf, but then next generation I need 3, then I need 5 children. So then once it gets to 5, dwi'n angen 8, I need 8 after that. Then I need like 12. So some of the other people in this are gonna need to have kids. And I'm gonna just pop in. It's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be fun. I don't know if I'm gonna end up populating the whole thing by accident. Then camgymeriad. I'm gonna go. Claire, can you do newid outfit chdi gynta? Because we're gonna get you a cute outfit. Dwi'n gwybod pam ti fo sari. We'll do that one because I'm in a park. Sometimes the Sims randomated and really diddorol. I I don't know if anybody else has played with how do you schedule a date? In the end. With teens, but I do want to give them a job because I want to get their skills up. I should skill in a minute. Via the romance, social, they're calling on the phone. Okay, Maya.
Yeah, me.
And then Khdi is gonna get you to talk to her. I love that. Dwi'n lyfio hwnna un o'r thing rhwng hein yw discuss neighbourhood changes. It's such an old person thing. And you know, chat about property values. Mor fatha such small talk. It is. O ie, da ni yma gyda chdi heddiw ddo.
Bouchard Spoffin Arbany. So they
Falabalom.
And then chdi. What? Is there anybody else in the park that kind of catches your fancy who is a teen? Adult? Nah. I don't have the high school pack here, so I don't know if like. That's bad. Let's get you talking. Just for dinner. Do friendly. So what I'm doing is basically get to know. Ask about career. Unemployed. That's fine. Teen. I don't really expect you to be.
Marik Poshima?
How can you ask them on a date? Let's go. Mischief, funny, actions, romance. Is it a teenager? Compliments. You go for flirty. They gotta be flirty. I've only really done this. Dim ond wedi wneud hyn really hefo Sims o mwy. I don't know. Dim got to wneud. I don't know how to do this. Okay. In this land, Aiden is a high school student of. Okay. Copy that. Oh no, dude, that's the high school pack. And then cool. Lily Pack High School. Oh, I don't know. Wait, better now? Is I'm pregnant? No. No.
Arganduba. Close.
Okay.
Sula!
Yabba.
Tunga, I saw something. And I really hope that didn't say.
Bombadoy.
Chipakove?
Ooh,
Chipakava.
Guru. Obitus.
No, my sim is not pregnant. Please don't say that. Oh, I can't. Okay, mae'n problem I'm gonna figure out. Mae'n problem dwi'n mynd I figure allan.
Ulanoi. Yabba Tunkupu.
Bobanef?
Oh, yeah. Blow
Let's
far.
figure that
Yeah,
out.
you Zaruga.
Starbit.
Suya.
Visha
Vilpebre. Sure, sir. Get Baru.
Check out, is it perfection? Why can't I do that?
Umfra.
Does that reach certain level? Don't know what that level.
Sivan.
Ah.
Yakin Brug. Layun Zaruga.
Salai.
Karashi. Abasa.
I can't, dwi'm yn gallu. Okay. Honestly, mae'n fine. We can do this, mae'n iawn. We can... Dwi'n chwarae chess. You can... Well, let me gael y chwarae. Okay, so ddim yn gwybod sut ti'n neud hynna. I don't know how to do this with a teen. Sut ti'n efo teen. Ella ti'n yn gallu, maybe you can't, but we can set them up. Because as an adult, you've got one that's like
Arsene. Boydman.
you got, yeah, you can. Yeah, there's like a thing. Ooh, put a tea. Who are you? An adult. I want more options for Envis. I want options for Envis. Okay, so mae'n kind of worrying. Mae'n dipyn bach poeni. Because if my sim is another baby, well, baby arall, don't have the space, I will have to move one of these out. And also, the next generation will need to have 5 kids, pimp plant. Oh, like, and no, I don't know. Didn't it die? I've done 2 babies. I think I'm young, but to have, you know, that many. There was somebody that was doing a 6 infant challenge. I don't really do that all, but yeah. I guess ti'n ond gallu neud without os ti'n just siarad efo nhw? Can you just talk? If you just like talk to them? Maybe? Oh my god, I don't. Well, indeed, I am only new to Sims, so I didn't realize. I thought with the. Oh, maybe. Is it with a high school pack? Or a high school pack that you can only like do do certain like actions, ella? It's all adults in the pad. One kid and adults in the pad. Oh, is there like a spot where teen Sims go? Colour white. Okay, now makes sense. It's Kurt Goth. Oh, Kurt Goth is one of the Bella Goth families. Teulu yna hefyd. I'm just gonna get you to get to know hefyd chdi. Pam ti'n... Why are you flirting with her? I don't know. Herm's one's a writer. It is creative and I'm glad faint. Because I haven't played
Alba,
Go to vet.
Marlene.
Oh, think well.
What happens if I ask about woohoo? Gemini, it's not, that option is not there anymore. That's annoying. I just want that friendly. Man, that's really annoying. Can I just write hints by doing that? That they like them. Let's see if they like gaming. I'll see. It's just gonna. Cool. So my sim is back. My sim being all. I was wondering, wait, if they're more, can you like? I don't care about the rest of the Sims. Setting these to that. Kind of a date, but not officially a date. Can you complain about love life and get like a hint there? I think it's got to be like a teen thing. I'm about teen. 12 minutes ago. Okay, it's got to be like a teen thing then. Okay, well, annoying. One option, an unique option, very sure. The only option I really wanted, that one. So let's see. Can you all? Ask about who means if the thingy. Following just looks kind of white. Liquor, retro music, creative. That did nothing. Okay, well, kind of a date. Me now, next part we will age up, kind of, and we will try and get all the skills up. I'm just gonna play a little bit more and try and figure out how to do this. Each trying to figure out how to neud. But diolch pawb am ddod. Thank you everybody for watching. Technically the first date gynta no. So yeah, and just dechrau cael stuff sorted ar gyfer y darn nesaf legacy. I'm getting stuff sorted for the next part of the legacy, so there should be a playlist. There'll be a playlist. There'll be a Sims build playlist as well. Na playlist gyfer hwn a pethau adeiladu yn y Sims. A diolch pawb am gwylio. Thank everybody for watching. Cadw'n saff, keep safe where you are, and like, if you all got any Sims tips, please put in the comments. Tip your Sims in the comments. I'm going to find out if there's a third baby on the way. It's when I try this babi ar ffordd, because that's going to be interesting. A dwi ddim wedi prepario fy hun ar hwnna o gwbl. I really hope there's not another baby on the way, because that means the next generation is going to be 5. Why am I Sims having so many babies? Part of my Sims got so much babies. Okay, cool. This is gonna be fun. So yeah, diolch pawb wylio. Keep safe. Thank you for watching. Keep safe where you are. Cadw'n saff lle mae'ch da chi. A cael dydd dda. I hope you have a lovely day where you are.